Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot using Windows built-in application. In Windows 10 or 11 there's a built-in application called Snipping Tool that lets you take a screenshot. Let's go ahead and get started. So click on the start button or Windows key and just type snipping SNI and it should come up, Snipping Tool. Click on the icon. Okay, so once it launches, you could just click on the new and you will see a plus icon for the cursor. So just click and hold with your left button, your mouse left button, and just drag to the area you want to capture and release, and it should take the screenshot. So if you do save, so you could do certain things, like you could edit, you could write on this, whatever you want, and you could save it. And I'm gonna save it to my desktop, so save and close it, and it should be on my other screens. So you'll see the icon, you could open it. This is how it looks. Now let's launch the tool again. So go to the Windows or start icon and just type SNI and it should come up. Click on it. So let me talk about the modes. So the rectangle mode, the one we just looked at, there's a Windows mode. So if you have a multiple windows open, you can select one, click on this, and it will take the most active window, and you could use this full screen mode that will take the whole screen as an image. And there is the free form mode, and that's something I will show you. So if you click on this one and just do new, so with the free form mode you could select whichever area you want. So in my case I'm gonna just select this mountain on this background image, and I could just take a screenshot of that. Okay, as you could see, I've only selected the image I want, and I could save it to my desktop and do save. This is how it looks if you open it. And that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you for watching.